So you're curating a beautiful fragrance collection and you want to dip your toe into some vanilla fragrances. I got you. These are some very good beginner friendly vanilla fragrances. Stay tuned. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I am Cordelia. We talk about all things beauty, fragrance, lifestyle, vlogs, and faith, baby, because that's for me and my house. We're gonna serve the Lord. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. How you guys been? So today I want to talk to my beginner curated collection beauties. If you are curating your fragrance collection from the beginning and you want to start off with some beautiful vanillas, some wearable vanillas, some vanillas that's not too heavy, I got you in this video. We're gonna talk about a few. Some are on a more affordable end, you know, one or two is high end, but they're good vanillas, very wearable, very sophisticated, not juvenile, not childish. So if you're interested in the vanillas that I have to show you, let's go. So the first one is going to be Vanilla Bourbon, and this is from Target. Baby, I think this was like $19.99. I'm on my second bottle. This is good. The only thing I'm gonna say about this is not beast mode. The longevity is not the greatest. Like, you're not finna get a full 8-hour shift. You're gonna have to top up, which is why I'm on my second bottle. But nevertheless, it's a beautiful Vanilla Bourbon from Target. You can't beat the price with an egg beater, okay? And if you're trying to get into the vanillas, baby, this right here, and this your price point, this is what you need, okay? Let me give you the notes on this Vanilla Bourbon. Vanilla Bourbon has notes of bergamot, jasmine, apple blossom, Madagascar vanilla bean, and sandalwood. Again, this Vanilla Bourbon, she's so pretty, just smooth, but just vanilla, you know? It's not like a vanilla extract. It's kind of slightly, I don't want to say boozy, but it's bergamot heavy, and it's just blended to perfection. Again, it's not a long-lasting beast mode, sillage crazy projector, but it's a good beginner-friendly vanilla. For the longest, I was like, oh, I don't like vanilla. I rocks with vanilla, and this is a good one to start with. This is Vanilla Bourbon from Target by the brand Mix Bar. So the next one we're going to talk about is by one of my favorite houses, and this is Kayali Vanilla 28. This vanilla is the vanilla of all vanillas if you want to start dipping your toe into vanilla. This is a beautiful, smooth, well curated, well blended, just beautiful vanilla. It's not like too mature of a vanilla. I don't want to say like, you know, grandma, but people like to use that term. It's not too much of a mature vanilla. It's just right. Perfect for layering. If you wear it by itself, you'll probably get about 3.5-4 hours of wear before it starts fading and turning to a skin scent. But baby, when you layer this with any of your perfumes, you got yourself a winner. Let's get into the notes of Vanilla 28. Vanilla 28 has notes of vanilla orchid, creamy jasmine, vanilla infusion, vanilla absolute, tonka bean accord, vanilla accord, tonka absolute, amber woods, musk, and brown sugar. When I tell you, the brown sugar, so good, slightly musky and that dry down, but this is a vanilla bomb, y'all. Just think of a vanilla extract with a little extra brown sugar with a little slight musk. This is what you get. Perfect for layering, perfect for wearing on its own. But again, I would suggest you get this if you're starting off in vanillas. This is a great starting point, and this is great for layering with any fragrance, not just vanilla fragrances. You can layer this with anything and you can amp it up a notch, baby. Kick it up a notch. This is Vanilla 28 by Kayali. So the next one we're going to talk about, guys, I would never have thought I would like this fragrance because the original was a immediate no for me. And the fragrance I'm speaking of is Black Opium, but this is the Black Opium La Perfume. Baby, the original Black Opium was a immediate no. This one is amazing. Oh my God, this smells so good. Like in that original, it had that heavy coffee note. This is just a vanilla bomb, white florals. It has coffee listed in the notes. I don't even get coffee, not even in the dry down. I get vanilla, I get the white florals. It's beautiful. Listen, if you were ever a Black Opium girl and you love the original, you're gonna love this. But if you've never loved Black Opium like me, because it was a strong, heavy, immediate no for me. I tried this in Sephora and I was like, taken back because, okay, love this. Love this. Let me tell you the notes of this Black Opium La Perfume. The notes of Black Opium La Perfume are white floral bouquet, vanilla quartet, and coffee accord. That's it. That's all. The white florals, beautiful. It's not too much, you know, it's just right. It's blended perfectly with the white florals and the vanilla. It has a coffee note. The coffee note and the vanilla blend so seamlessly till I don't even hardly get the coffee. I mean, maybe somebody who loves a coffee note would probably pick it up, but no, I don't get the coffee. I get the white florals, I get the vanilla, I get perfection. This is beautiful. This is Black Opium La Perfume. The next one I'm going to talk about is going to be Burberry Goddess. Now this is the original, not the intense. This is a beautiful, very wearable, very sophisticated, very luxe. Love this vanilla. It's not a gourmand. You don't walk around smelling like cake. That's what I love about it. And it's wearable and it's beautiful. Look at my dent. I'll be trying not to reach for this, but I have an amazing dupe or inspired by fragrance I will talk about in another video, my next video. So be looking out for that. But baby, because the price point on this little bottle, these designer, let's have a quick sidebar. These designer prices are getting out of control, okay? Designer prices are getting out of control. That's it, that's all. That's my sidebar. But this is a beautiful, beautiful vanilla. Let's get into the notes of Burberry Goddess. Burberry Goddess has notes of vanilla infusion, vanilla caviar, vanilla absolute, and lavender. As you can see, it is a beautiful vanilla bomb with a hint of lavender. The lavender is not too much on me. For me, lavender leans masculine with my skin chemistry. That's why I have a love-hate relationship with the YSL Libre. And I do own it. I have the La Perfume one. It's a beautiful scent, but when I put it on, it starts leaning like a cologne on my skin. And baby, I'm not trying to smell like a man. I want to smell feminine. And don't get me wrong, I do like some unisex fragrances, don't get me wrong. But I like to lighten it up and make it smell feminine. And that one, I just have a love or hate relationship. This one, the lavender is so smooth. It is not heavy. It is not headache inducing. It is not masculine leaning. It is beautiful. And this is just basically a vanilla balm with a hint of lavender. I believe everybody who loves vanilla either has this in their collection. And if you don't, you actually need it in your collection. And if not this one, the dupe for it again, which I will tell you about in another video. But baby, if you love vanilla and if you love lavender, those notes mixed together in this one blended, this is absolute perfection. I adore this one. The intense version, I did not rock with that one. Or I'm gonna say I didn't give it a chance. I only sprayed it on my hand in the store and I was like, it's not for me, you know, and I left. But this one, it captured me and it made me buy her and bring her home, okay? Again, this is Burberry Goddess, a vanilla balm of perfection. All right, next I wanna talk about an oil, and this is by Ness. And this is my second bottle. This is a beautiful vanilla by Ness called Madagascar Vanilla. If you're layering this with anything, it's gonna kick it up 5 notches. I love to layer this with any of my vanilla fragrances. I love to layer this with my Yum Pistachio Gelato. I love to layer this with almost anything that vanilla can be layered with. This kicks it up a notch. It's an oil, but it's very potent. Oh, it's so good. This is just straight up vanilla. This is very potent. So consider a perfume in a concentrated oil form. That's what this is. Let me give you the notes. The notes of Madagascar Vanilla Nest Oil is Madagascar Vanilla Bean, Vanilla Orchid, and Coconut. And when I tell you that coconut, it doesn't give me like tropical beach, tropical vibes type of coconut, but I can detect that coconut, but with that vanilla, it's just so smooth. It almost has a creaminess to this oil. Not lactonic creamy. It's just a smooth creamy. Baby, you add this as a base to any perfume layering combination. Don't say I didn't tell you. Don't say I didn't put you on. Don't say I didn't warn you about the price, because this little bottle from Sephora, or you can order from the Nest site itself. But baby, it's worth it. Lord, these prices, but it's worth it because I love it. I can't talk because I'm on my second bottle, so that goes to show you how much I love it and how much I will repurchase it over and over just to keep it in my collection. This is Nest Madagascar Vanilla. All right, so guys, we're gonna jump into the territory of a little bit more high-end niche, if you will. This is by Maison Kurkdjian, and this is Gentle Fluidity Gold. Look at this. Look at my dent. I'm not proud of it. I'm not proud of this dent because it's my second bottle and I've only had this bottle about 3 or 4 months because I'm not biased to the seasons. Y'all know. If you watch this channel, I'm not biased to the seasons. I'm going to wear what I want to wear when I want to wear it, how I want to wear it, and I wear this year round. But this price, at the price that this is, this dent, it shouldn't be denting like that. But this is a beautiful, beautiful vanilla. It's accompanied by some juniper berries. It's so pretty, so ladylike, so sophisticated. It's so seductive. This is one of the vanillas that I would recommend if you want to splurge on one. If you're dipping your toes in a vanilla and you want a luxury vanilla, Gentle Fluidity Gold, amazing. Let me give you the notes. For Gentle Fluidity Gold, the notes are juniper berries, nutmeg, coriander seed oil, musk, amber woods, and vanilla blend. You definitely get the juniper berries and you definitely get that vanilla. It's a muskiness to it and it's a beautiful soft musk with that vanilla and those juniper berries. This here is perfection and I don't mind paying for it because it's long wearing. I get a good 8 hours. I can get longer if I overspray, but you know, we want to overspray this. That's why you do your layering. You want to layer with that Madagascar vanilla, or you want to layer with something else, that vanilla 28 that I showed you, because baby, at the price point, you don't want to, you know, don't say I didn't warn you. You don't want to overspray too much. I am an oversprayer. This is a judgment-free zone. But nevertheless, this is a beautiful, beautiful fragrance. Juniper berries, vanilla, slight musk, slight ambery. Is beautiful, y'all. This fragrance lasts on the skin all day, even longer on the clothes. It's so sophisticated. It garners compliments from men and women. It doesn't matter. You're going to get a compliment when you wear this. I can almost guarantee you because every time I wear it, I do. This is Gentle Fluidity Gold. And the last one I want to talk about is Bay. This is Bay. This is near and dear to my heart. Every time I smell this, I'm taken back like it's my first time. I'm not even exaggerating. This is called Vanilla Powder by Matiere Premier. I'm not sure if I'm butchering that name, but this is the name. Let me put it closer so you can see. If you hadn't heard about vanilla powder, you must have been living under a rock in the frag community. This took us by storm and for good reason. Hyped up and for good reason. Sold out multiple times across the internet and for good reason. I get sad when I see my dents because I'm like, how? And I have to repurchase you so soon. And this is another very pricey vanilla. But baby, if you trying to splurge and you want to smell good, this is 10+ hours of wear. The sillage is crazy. You leaving a trail everywhere you go. The projection is 6 feet away. It's crazy. I'm not even exaggerating. I can't even emphasize enough. Let me get into the notes because I'm getting too excited. I'm getting too excited about this vanilla powder because baby, this is Bay. Let's get into the notes. Vanilla powder notes are vanilla absolute, coconut powder, white musk, and palo santo. Let me tell you something. That coconut powder, it doesn't come across like coconut to where you feel like a tropical beach vibe. This is a powder coconut. It's beautiful. But the star for me is the palo santo, y'all. I adore palo santo in a fragrance. This is done to perfection. This is done right. This is palo santo, coconut powder. This is vanilla. You can wear this by itself. You don't have to overspray because if you overspray, you might give yourself a headache. This is potent. I consider this beast mode. I layered this with karaoke heart, and baby, when I tell you I'm wearing that all winter long, I don't care. I am not biased to the season all year long. I can't speak highly enough. It's the Palo Santo for me. You layer this with Donna Karan, Cashmere, and Palo Santo, it's over. It's over with. We're here to talk about vanilla. We're not here for layering combos because if you want a layering combo video, drop a comment down below and I can definitely get that for you. But this is vanilla powder. This is Bay. This is my favorite vanilla in all of my collection. This is all you need. This costs, but this is all you need, okay? But baby, when I tell you, you get your money's worth, you get your money's worth. You need this in your collection if you're trying to start dipping into vanillas if you want to splurge. If you don't want to splurge, the other ones I suggested are very very doable. Vanilla Powder by Matiere Premier. Okay guys, that's today's video. If you're trying to curate a beautiful fragrance collection and you want to start adding slowly some vanillas in there, everything I've mentioned here today, they're chef's kiss, okay? Thank you for watching. If you found value in this video, if I helped you in any way, hit the like button. And don't forget guys, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you become a part of the family. It's free, okay? And drop a comment down below if you own any of these vanillas. If you plan on purchasing any of these vanillas, let me know. I like to chat with y'all in the comment section. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.